Assalamu alaikum, welcome to new tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how can you convert a solid part into sheet metal inside SolidWorks. This was a solid object with me. Right now I have converted it into sheet metal, you can see, and let me show how can you do this. So this is really very important for you people. When you have a solid object and you want to convert them into sheet metal, so you can do this really easy. So let me show. Come to File, New, Part, and OK. Let me make it white, the background white, and come to Sketch, select a line, choose a proper plane and make it normal, and let me draw a line like this. Just come here again, come on this point, it will automatically convert into arc, and do something like this and just exact sketch. Now come to feature and extruded boss base. I will extrude it up to 100 millimeter. You can just reverse the direction and you can just add a draft as well, but right now I don't want to add any kind of draft, and just click OK. So right now this is a solid object, okay, this is a solid body entirely. Now I want to convert this into sheet metal. What to do? Come to sheet metal and just click on convert to sheet metal. Once I do this, what to do here and sheet metal parameter, you have to select the permanent base of the solid object that you want to be kept as to ace. So let me choose this base face for now. Now it will automatically jump into bend edges. Okay, here you wanted to bend this object, so I will choose these 4 edges for now, this one, that one also, and this one. So once I done this, okay, so here you will see, or you can just click and collect all bends, but here a menu pop-ups, no pre-made bends were found. Just close it for now. And here if you have a rip over here, if you have drawn another sketch over here, so what you can do, that you can just check over here and you can just select that line, so a gap would also be created over there with you people. But right now I didn't make any kind of rip, so this is how, once I say OK, so this is how you can see that the solid object is converted into sheet metal. So this is really important for you people, you must know, and hopefully you understand. Let me assign some color, click on the body, come to appearance and choose body, and let me assign some solid color for now. Is it good, or this one? No. This is really good, and just say OK. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to like the video, also do comment, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and interesting projects. Thanks for watching.